This is my friend's. It's got his new iX. Put your window down, Seth. Here's Seth in his new car today. He's got a shoe top, but here's the inside. How cool is that? How quiet is that?
Might be able to hear it.